In this video, we will take a look at parameters and parameter profiles in the Advanced Toolpath utility, ATU. We have already opened the toolpath for External Exporter demo project. It was created from the corresponding template that comes with ATU. 3 build parts have been loaded. Our demo project offers the user some parameters to influence the calculation. For example, the user can change the hatch density without having to edit the script code. The set of values for the offered parameters of a project is referred to as a parameter profile in ATU. There is always a parameter profile that contains the default value for each parameter. Let us take a look at the default profile by opening it. The parameter values in the default profile cannot be changed. But later we will see how to create new profiles where the values are adjustable. Under Build Part Parameter there are 2 groups, Exposure and Laser Settings. In the Exposure parameter group we have the parameter to control the hatch density. Where and how is it decided in the script code which parameters are offered to the user? To create parameters that can be set by the user, there is the entry point function, declare parameters in the main.js file. It is easy to see how the script code creates a parameter group and populates it with parameters. With the declare parameter group function, a new parameter group with a unique ID is created. A parameter group also needs a name that is displayed to the user. In this example, the name comes from a translation table. The declare parameter real function is used to create a new floating point value parameter within a parameter group. Besides group ID, parameter ID and name, such a floating point value parameter also requires a minimum value, a maximum value and a default value. Here the parameter name also comes from the translation table. A parameter description and parameter unit is optional. There are also functions for creating parameters of other types, for example, integer or boolean. Now let us look at the parameter profile management. The parameter profile management can be opened via the corresponding button in the exposure preview window. Here we see the list of parameter profiles. As expected, only the default profile currently exists. It cannot be changed or deleted. We want to create a new parameter profile where we can change parameter values. We open the new profile and change the hatch density parameter value to 1, which is now possible. The parameter profile dialog offers some useful functions. We can have the parameter values highlighted that differ from the default value. Parameter values can be reset to the default value. This can be done for individual parameters. In the context menu of a parameter group, you will find the function to reset all contained parameters. If a large number of parameters exists, the search function can be very helpful. You can quickly jump back and forth in the found parameters. In the parameter management, we can duplicate parameter profiles. Parameter profiles can be exported as a JSON file. Of course, such a file can also be imported again. In the configuration editor of NetFab, a JSON file can be used to set the parameter values of a compatible eBPA-based build strategy. A parameter profile is assigned to each build part. Initially, the default parameter profile is assigned to each build part. The parameter profile assignment can be changed. One way to view or change the parameter profile assignment is to use the Assign Part Parameter Profiles dialog. All build parts are listed here together with the assigned parameter profiles. The parameter profile assignment can be changed for individual build parts. The same parameter profile can be assigned for a selection of build parts. It also works for all build parts. A parameter group contains either only parameters that are relevant for the whole platform or only parameters that can be set per build part. In the parameter profile assignment dialog, it is possible to specify the profile that sets the values of the platform parameters. The parameter profile of a build part can also be opened in the parameter profile assignment dialog. Another way to change the parameter profile assignment for build parts is via the context menu in the preview window. It is also possible to open the parameter profile of a build part here. Thank you for watching this video.